Hi everyone, I'm glad to be here. The plan for today is to compare four different feature control frames. As we can see here, for the first one, we don't have any modifier. For second one, we have modifier. And for third one, we have modifier with maximum value 0.3. And for last one, we have 0 MMC and the maximum value is 0.3. Let's compare these all feature control frames. For the first one, as we can see, the pin diameter is 29.5 and tolerance zone is between 0 and plus 0.4. When we don't have any modifier, it means tolerance zone is constant for all different pin diameters. The pin diameter can be changed between 29.9 to 29.5. For second case, when we have modifier MMC equal to 0.1, we can calculate virtual condition. We need to consider the biggest size of the pin and add 0.1 to that. We can calculate virtual condition. By having this virtual condition value, we can calculate tolerance zone for each pin diameter. As we can see, tolerance zone is not constant. Based on the pin diameter, they are going to change. It is dynamic tolerance zone. Let's go for the third one. We have modifier MMC equal to 0.1 and the maximum value is 0.3. What does it mean? The same as before, we can calculate virtual condition, and then for pin diameter between 29.9 to 29.5, we can calculate tolerance zone. But here we have the maximum value. It means the tolerance zone cannot be more than 0.3. If it is more than that, it is not acceptable. The maximum tolerance zone, it is 0.3. And the last one, we have 0 MMC. For this case, the interval is not the same as before. Previously, the tolerance zone at the beginning it was between 0 and plus 0.4. Now, with 0 MMC, we are going to add 0.1 to 0.4. Then the tolerance zone is going to change to 0 to 0.5. And now we are going to cover pin diameter of 30 as well. And the same as before, we can calculate virtual condition. The maximum diameter plus 0, it is 30 for this case. And then we can calculate tolerance zone for different pin diameter. And we can see the tolerance zone is going to change. It is dynamic tolerance zone, but here again we have the maximum value. The maximum value of tolerance zone can be 0.3, not more than that. So far we have talked about MMC and LMC. They are the most applicable modifiers. For the rest, I'm going to implement them in examples, and we are going to talk about the details in examples. We don't have that much details for others, the same as MMC and LMC. Now, I would like to close this session. Thank you for today. I hope you enjoy it. See you next time.